I don't know if a lawnmower will go back here, but I'm going to try. I told y'all it could be done. Nothing to it. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate. And like my friend said, you can't doubt a determined woman, like I said, or someone whose friends are all busy. Here's the man who helped me get this in the back of my Mustang. He and his friend in the back. Thank you. Am I going to be able to get this lawnmower out of the car by myself? We'll see. I have a plan A and a plan B. I might need a plan C. Ain't even a thing. It took 2 men to put it in the back and one tiny woman to get it out. And I don't even power lift. Well, I do, but I just haven't done anything since October. Let's put this thing together. I put the bedspread in there to try to cover all the pieces of the car that might snag while they were putting it in the back, because I didn't know how careful the employees might be. And I think that helped. Plus it also protected my upholstery from any kind of damage that might have occurred from the box, although I don't think any would have. So here's the package. It's supposed to contain the oil already in it. He gave me a few instructions. I got a self-propelled, has a 2-year limited warranty. It's a rear wheel drive. I researched and that's what I wanted. Has a 6-position dual lever height adjuster. So we'll see how that works out. And by the way, it only weighed 77 pounds, so no big whoop. And it's a model 320. Apparently I have an affinity for things with the number 320. Oh. Has a 150cc 625 EX series Briggs & Stratton engine, 2-pull starting promise, so we'll see how that goes. Single speed rear wheel drive transmission. Has a 3-in-1 cutting deck with side discharge, mulch and rear bag options included. I probably will not use the rear bag because I just put the clippings back on the ground. Dead grain's better than nothing. There's info, and look, it's showing a woman mowing, so it must be a she thing. Let's see what's in this box. I don't even want this thing. I never used a rear bagger. It seems just like a lot of trouble to me. And like I said, I just let everything go on the back on the ground. I think I'm actually supposed to bolt these handles in first. But hey, let's just do it the hard way. Why not? Nice. That wasn't too bad. Move this baby over so you can see it. And just like YouTube, I got an error message from this mower. I'm about to see red. And I'm taking it back. I just called Lowe's and they said it's probably defective. Yep, so I have to put the mostly assembled mower back in the car, the box back in the back. Thankfully, I had not put any gasoline in there. I was pretty upset by the time I got back to Lowe's, but I had 3 super patient young people who helped me. We took it inside and the cashier was going to give me my money back, and I told them I would rather get the mower started because I still needed a mower. The young man with tattoos pulled on the cord, pulled on the cord, pulled on the cord, and finally we just decided we're going to break it. He gave it one super strong pull and the cord released. So I hope that this does fix the problem. Well, I just got home. I'm still eating my blizzard with my mower round 2 with the top down. It's definitely too dark to mow. So I guess I'll get up tomorrow and mow, or try to. I am here, I'm here, I'm here. Can you tell what that is? Can you tell what that is? Let's see if I can help you out here. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Yes. And you know what I'm gonna have, don't you? Absolutely. Seriously, it has been a most challenging weekend. It seems as if like that. Every single thing I touch my hands to, it gets screwed up. Every single thing. I have not done one thing this weekend that hasn't had a glitch or a problem. I'm done with it. It's like Sunday afternoon and I tried to upload an easy video to YouTube and it kept sticking at 95% process. So I don't know if it's going to upload Monday or not. It's raining, it's pouring down rain. Can't mow the grass, can't try out the lawnmower that I bought yesterday. Finally, after 2 trips to Lowe's, putting it in the back of my Mustang. So I'm seriously, the only 2 things that are going to get me out of this rain is enough Sudafed to get me through the next month, and let me turn this around. Yes, I'm here. I'm about to go inside and do some reading and have a blizzard because they never let me down. Never. So it's the only thing I can think of that I can do this weekend that's going to be completely and totally successful. So that's what I'm doing. I've already ordered. I'll see if it guesses right. No, it did not. Nope. I got that. Now, what about that wouldn't make someone happy? That's a beautiful thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video. Don't share this video, like I say, when they're just terrible. And until next time, I hope stuff that you do turns out more positive. Leave me an encouraging comment if you so desire. Bye.